Okay, so we've gone through all the stages and we've got a walking morph. We've got 61 frames because frame 1 and frame 61, if I click on them, are exactly the same. It's the only frame that duplicates. So we're actually going to lose that last frame. So first thing we're going to do, come down here, press 60, and our animation now is only 60 frames, so it's a lot smoother. Okay, but in theory, even though we can be playing in a loop, he only actually plays once. So if I extended this out to, I don't know, 400 frames, and just stretch this out and do my playhead, see he gets to 60 and he stops. He doesn't keep walking. We can change that. So what I'm going to do is just pop this back to, in fact, we can leave that at 400. Don't need to bother changing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to Animation, Windows, Animation Editor, and Graph Editor. Now the graph editor tends to look quite scary, but actually it's not. And remember, because we've used IK, we don't need any of these. We only need these 4 IK handles. So in the first instance, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, if I can't see everything on here, I'm just going to go to View, Frame All. I'm going to come over to the outliner, click on IK handle 1. I'm going to click and select. So just click and drag on all these final frames here at the end. Then I'm going to go to Curves, Post Infinity, and Cycle. I'm going to go to the next one, is Right Arm. Just draw a box around these end ones. Curves, Post Infinity, Cycle. What we're doing is we're just saying when you get to the end of here, cycle back to the start. So this is on the timeline. You can see this is frame 60 here. Okay, so this is a more detailed version of the timeline. Post Infinity, Cycle, and select these and Post Infinity, Cycle. So what should happen now on our 400 frames, so let's just stretch this out so we can see it again, is it'll play, get past 60, and then he just carries on going. So let's just press play. You can see down here? Foot still going under the ground there. We can sort that out later if we wanted to. Okay, so we've got him walking along. That's fine. What we want to do now, so let's just, what we're going to do instead now is I'm going to do a different type of infinity loop. So I'm going to do one. So I'm going to do one where he actually walks, so he's not walking on the spot. So what I need to do first is come back to frame 1, and I'm going to select all the IK handles, and I'm going to go to Edit and Group. You'll see these are now in Group 1. Now then this means that if I come back here, so on frame 1, I can so I'm just going to select the head and the group, pushing back, then I'm going to come to frame 60 and moving forward slightly, moving back up as well. Okay, may have missed a frame there, let's zoom in. Okay, so just on this frame here, with these selected, let's just moving forward a bit.